Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back. In today's video update here, I'm going to go over POLYMATH. So POLYMATH right now is trading at 24.03, 24-hour volume. We are down 30.66%, and market cap, we are down 1.70%. Okay, guys, so heading over to our chart here, I'm just going to go over our daily chart and then immediate short term for 2 hours to see what we're going to expect for the next couple of days or possibly hours here for POLYMATH. So going into the weekly chart, we can see that we are skyrocketing. We can see a few of our candlestick wicks very, very high, reaching as high as 28 cents here. So it's pretty exciting. However, what we are going to experience in the next couple of days or so is the price going to come back down to an area of support and hopefully an accumulation phase that the price can continue to retrace back to the 28 cents and ultimately break that level of support. So as we can see here, we can see that the candlestick that came up to that level and close to retested it twice. The body itself was quite small and found below 50% of the actual range. Eventually creating this engulfing candlestick in the bearish side and of course in today's candle as well. So what we can observe in this candlestick, the body itself is quite minimal and the range itself is quite minimal as well. The range just simply means from the candlestick wick at the top all the way to the bottom. Where the session is ultimately is closer observed near the bottom. So that ultimately means that there's a lot of seller pressure going into today as well. And we're going to see some retracement levels on a 2-hour immediate short term. But what we can see here is we held very, very nicely on Monday, September 13th, and then Tuesday on the 14th, roughly around this area of 23.95. So this is a good area here for support. We can see a few candlesticks here just retrace just slightly above that price, and the price itself is going to come back down. Here is their next retracement level of 50% of our fib retracement at 23.16. The reason again that I say that the price is going to fall down is because we see weakness of the MACD indicator that measures momentum, and as if we do see lightness in the color, it shows weakness in the momentum, but most importantly, the size of this bar as well is getting smaller as we are coming closer together of our signal line, which is this orange line, and our MACD indicator. So long as we see the spaces in between these two lines are very minimal and they're getting closer together, again, does hint that the weakness of this trend may soon be over. And if an area of influence, basically an area of interest such as the 50% where it's found near our 20 moving average goes from the green to the red in momentum of our MACD indicator, we're most likely not going to hold that area. So be prepared for the next couple of days for the price to retrace itself closer to the 50%, and we are going to be retesting this area as an area of support. All right, so going into immediate short term for 2 hours, if you guys can already see the candlesticks here are bouncing very, very nicely on our 23% of our fib at 23.90. Now, not only that, but if we come over here on Monday, September 26th, we can see a few candlesticks retrace down to this level of support. We see the RSI was considered oversold and triggered a buying opportunity at this level. Same thing is going to apply, is that we are going to be testing this area of support. But most importantly, the RSI is showing us we are soon going to be considered as overbought, and a selling opportunity may present itself later on today. As we can see, the RSI here at the white line is at 80%, is normally where we see overbought percentages. And as soon as we cross over that 80% and we see these two lines cross over, it is going to give us that selling opportunity. Now, if we can see that the actions of these candlesticks are getting smaller and smaller in the bodies, as we are getting very, very small in the bodies, we see this really good jump so far in this 2-hour interval that might come up and retest this resistance line that has been rejected just a couple of hours ago, as we can see the range of these candlesticks at 24.11. So we may see the price in this 2-hour jump up to 24.11, retest that area of resistance, and then come back up here for 24.25. So long again that we do see our MACD indicator flip from the red to the green. If we take a look at the indicator and what it's telling us or hinting us is that the bearish momentum may soon be over. And if we do hit here in an area of resistance and we go from the red over to the green, then we are going to be breaking that and closing above it. So pretty exciting here for POLYMATH. I do anticipate us coming up and retesting the 24.25. Again, so far, So long again, if we do see the MACD indicator showing us that signal that we are going to cross over, then we are going to be hitting those resistance line. But be very careful with retracement levels because we are considered to be overbought. And as soon as we do see those two lines cross over, then reevaluate your charts today. But that is my video for Polymath. Let me know what you guys think down below by sending me a comment. Smash that like button for me and also subscribe if you're new. But I'll see you next time. Bye.